Hello everyone, today we will start with the new chapter amines. So amines are the derivatives of ammonia. When we replace the hydrogen atoms of ammonia with alkyl or aryl group, we get amine. So its structure is pyramidal. For example, we are taking trimethyl amine. So this is trimethyl amine. So this is pyramidal, and this is the unshared electron pair, and due to it this repulsion from this electron pair, the angle between the two methyl groups is not a tetrahedral angle, that is it is not 109.5 degree, instead it is less than that. So what will be the angle? Here in this case it is angle 108 degree angle. So this is about the structure of the amine. Now let us move to its classification. So the classification is what? It can be divided into primary, secondary and tertiary based on the number of hydrogen atom replaced. So if you take ammonia, that is NH3, if you replace one hydrogen with alkyl or aryl group, then it is primary amine. If you replace two hydrogen atom of ammonia with alkyl or aryl group, then it is secondary amine. If you replace three hydrogen atoms of ammonia with the alkyl or aryl group, you will get what? Tertiary amine. So this is the classification. We can learn more about the classification through some examples. So these are four compounds. We have to find out whether it is primary, secondary or tertiary amine. So first compound is this. So here you can see this is the amine group, and you can see that one of the hydrogen atom of the ammonia, if we take, this is the derivative of ammonia. So here you can see that one of the hydrogen atom of ammonia group is replaced by the aryl group. So when one hydrogen of ammonia is replaced by aryl group or alkyl group, then it is primary amine. So this is primary amine, right? Now here you can see that the nitrogen atom is attached to three alkyl or aryl groups. Two alkyl groups are there and one aryl group is there. So all the three hydrogen atom of the ammonia is replaced by the alkyl and aryl group. Therefore, this amine is tertiary amine. So this is tertiary amine, right? So these all are derivatives of ammonia. Now, this is what here in this compound, one hydrogen is replaced by the alkyl group and two hydrogen atoms are still attached to the nitrogen atom. So one hydrogen is replaced. So therefore, it is again primary amine. And here in this compound, two hydrogen atoms have been replaced by the alkyl group. This nitrogen atom is attached to only one hydrogen group and two of its hydrogen atom are replaced by the alkyl group, that is C2H5. So when two hydrogen atoms are replaced, so it is a secondary amine, right? So in this way we can classify the amines as primary, secondary or tertiary amine. Now we will move on to the classification of nomenclature of amines. So these are some of the compounds and we have to name it according to the common nomenclature as well as IUPAC nomenclature. So in common nomenclature, what happens that we name amine as alkyl amine. So here there is ethyl as the alkyl group. So it will be named as ethyl amine in the common nomenclature. So it will be named as ethyl amine. And in IUPAC, the ethane group will be named as ethane amine and the E of the ethane will be replaced. So it will be ethane. Here E will not be written and amine will be written. So it will be ethane amine according to IUPAC nomenclature. The next one is what? Because this is propyl group, and in common nomenclature we name it as N-propyl. So N-propyl amine. So this is what? This is N-propyl amine in the common nomenclature. And here in the IUPAC nomenclature, this will be propane 1 amine. Why? Because at the first carbon atom of the propane there is amine group. So it will be propane 1 amine. Okay, and it can be written as propane amine also. It will be understood that the amine group is at first position. The next group is isopropyl amine. Why? Because this group is known as isopropyl. So in the common nomenclature it will be isopropyl amine. And in the IUPAC nomenclature, because this is propane group and at the second position amine group is attached, so it will be propane 2 amine. Propane 2 amine. Okay. Now the fourth amine is what? This is there are two types of alkyl groups attached to on the both side of the nitrogen atom. So here there is methane, here there is ethane. So it will be uh, N-methyl ethyl amine, right? In the common nomenclature. So it will be N-methyl ethyl amine in the common nomenclature. And in the IUPAC nomenclature, it will be what? It will be N-methyl ethane amine. It will be N-methyl ethane amine. Let us take some more examples now. So in the common nomenclature here, N-methyl ethyl will not be there. Instead, it will be ethyl methyl amine. Why is it so? Because the ethyl group, the substituents are named according to the alphabetical order. So ethyl E comes first, then methyl M. So therefore ethyl methyl amine. But here the the alkyl group with the less number of carbon atom, that is methyl, will be named first. So N-methyl ethane amine, right? So this is the difference between common nomenclature and IUPAC nomenclature. Now we will see some more examples of common nomenclature and IUPAC nomenclature compounds. So these are aromatic amines or aryl amines. Now we will name them. So first one is aniline in common nomenclature. So this is known as aniline. Now aniline is also accepted as in IUPAC nomenclature, and it is said it can be named also benzene amine. So benzene amine will be written as benzene. Now E is replaced, the last E is replaced by amine. So benzene amine. Or aniline is also accepted in IUPAC nomenclature. The next one is there is methyl group at the ortho position. So this is in the common nomenclature, it is known as ortho toluidine, right? Or it can be named as what? It can be named as 2-amino. In the IUPAC nomenclature, it will be named as 2-amino toluene. 2-amino toluene. In the here the at the para position there is bromo group. So in the common nomenclature, it will be named as para bromo aniline, right? And in the common in the IUPAC nomenclature, it can be named as what? It can be named as 4-bromo aniline, because aniline is also accepted in IUPAC, or it can be named as 4-bromo benzene amine, right? So this is about the nomenclature of amines. So I hope you have understood about today's topic, and in the next class we will learn about the preparation of amines, so different methods to prepare amine. So thank you so much.